Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thanks for checking out another video. So before we get into today's video, there's a couple of things I want to talk to you about. So the first is, if you're not a subscriber, now is definitely the time to subscribe. I've got some stuff coming up. I can't quite talk about it yet, but it will be very soon. We've got some key sets, some desk mats, some things like that you'll want to stay tuned to get updates and notifications when this stuff comes out. The other thing I wanted to talk about was interaction in the comment section. So I get a lot of questions down in the comments, and that's great. I'm happy to answer you guys there. But if you want to talk to me in real time, you can find me on Discord. Now, there's a couple of servers. I'm going to put the link down below, so be sure to go check them out. That you'll find me active in most of the time. The first is Apex Keyboards. So Vince over at Apex Keyboards, and Apex Keyboards as a brand has supported me from the get-go. Vince is phenomenal. They always have great stuff in stock. So join their Discord. Not only will you find me there, but you'll also find Vince, a whole bunch of other people with a plethora of knowledge, way more than I have. You'll also be able to get notified of like when he has switches that come in stock, or keyboards, or key sets, and all the stuff that they sell over at Apex Keyboards. So be sure to go check that out. The next Discord server I want to talk about is Clack Fancy. Now this was put together originally by Langlandia, I think, as like a meetup, kind of a virtual meetup place. Since then it's taken off. There's a bunch of adopters now. They're all doing phenomenal things with it. There'll be giveaways, and they have some dates set for virtual meets, all kinds of good stuff. So link for that is down below too. Also, that server has a whole bunch of people in it who have been in the keyboard kind of hobby longer than I have, way more knowledge than me. They're happy to answer any questions. So jump on into that Discord too, just to come chat with us. Even if you're not into keyboards, jump into that Discord, come hang out with us. There's other topics that go on in there too. There's a general chat. Just come chat with us. All right. So with those things said and done, I think we're ready to get into today's video. Now it's a bit different. It's just a typing test on vintage blacks. So this is my first kind of go with vintage blacks. I've never really used them, or I've never done anything with them before. So I harvested them from an old IBM board. I think the manufacturing date was like 86 or 87. Some of them were really smooth, some of them not so much. So I harvested them off the board. I cleaned them all in my ultrasonic cleaner. I've then since lubed them. I didn't film them, but I did do a spring swap on them. So they're running 67 gram cherry springs from Vince over at Apex Keyboards. So I'm kind of liking it. I'm really liking it. Anyways, give it a listen. Let me know what you think. Let's go check it out.